Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy's Style. A beautiful good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all of you watching right now. I appreciate you all, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. You all are welcome to Wendy's Styles. Short hairstyles lives here, and in this channel is all about short hair. We promote short hairstyles for beautiful black women. So guys, I want you guys to just check out this gorgeous and elegant short hairstyles for beautiful black women. If you're looking for that low maintenance haircut, you don't want to stress yourself in front of the mirror, or you want a versatile style that you can use to create different styles when you're about to go out, please, I would like you guys to watch this video to the end, because this is indeed a wash and go short hairstyle. And for you to achieve the styles is for you to use the kits that is in my description box, like the MIELLE kit. The MIELLE kit will give you this beautiful coils you're seeing on the screen. Some of them comes for $7, some comes for $5, even $2, like some gel, you can get it for $2 $1, and also you can also get the doughs. Some of them also cost for about just within $7 to $20. You can get this beautiful product that will give you this bouncing and gorgeous coils and make you look younger. So check my description box on the link to get them. You can get them through AliExpress, you can get them through Amazon. You can also get them, you can ask in your local shops around, or in your the place you go to make your hair, or your barbing salon. Just ask if they have the MIELLE kit or the Dukes. You can also ask for kings and coils. You can also ask for the coil sauce. These are the products I've used, I've tested, and I can testify they are so good. And they will give your hair that texture you want, and it won't damage your scalp. It's a hair product that is, let's say, hair friendly. So that's why I always recommend it to everyone to try. So you can see those beautiful coils on your screen. You can look as beautiful as this. If the barber in your area cannot give you exactly like, because many always ask, how can I get this coils? Just go to the salon, tell them to give your two sides lower and the back lower, leaving some hair on top like this. Then you can go home, use your kit to coil yourself. You can use the finger coils, that is using your finger to twist it out, or use also your just finger coils or the twist out, or even a comb. Then, or you can tell them to just give you those. If for those that love balding or to no hair, you can also have this kind of cut from your salon. If you like the pattern, you go for the pattern. Then use your kings and coils. Even without kings and coils, you can also use your eco styling gel to achieve that sleek layer you're seeing on the hair. So there are many ways to make this hair at home. You don't need to break a bank or have to spend much for you to get it. It's something you can get with just little amount of something. Just having the right product, the right mousse, you are good to go. Okay, so let me just let you guys without talking much to savor the rest of the styles we have for you guys. You're not gonna regret watching this video today, and please stay up to Wendy's Styles, because there are more beautiful short haircuts coming your way. Don't forget to subscribe if you're first time on this channel, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind on how you feel about this haircut. God bless you guys, and stay up to Wendy's Styles.
What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me. got me you, I need you. Whoa. Now waiting you won't believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Waiting you won't believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, you got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, you got me you. I need you. Whoa. Now waiting you won't believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Waiting you won't believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, you got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, you got me you. I need you. Whoa. Now waiting you won't believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Waiting you won't believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me.